Hi, I'm Debi Peverill, and you're listening to the weekly tip from Peverill Financial Trading Group. Today I am reminding you, probably for the 12th time, that there is not much time left to pay your CEBA loan. So that's the CEBA loan. It is due on January 18th, and that's pretty much right now. So if you can't pay that loan back by the 18th, you need to call your bank right now and see if you can refinance it. If you are in the process of refinancing that loan on January 18th, you have 2 more months to actually make the payment and still get the grant. So there is a portion of every CEBA loan that doesn't have to be repaid provided you make the loan payment on time. So it is important to either make the payment or be in negotiations with your bank. If it turns out that your bank is not going to allow you to refinance, then you have to pay the full amount of the loan. You don't get the grant portion. The interest rate is a 5% rate, which sounded bad once upon a time, doesn't sound as bad now. And you only have you've got 3 years to pay it back, basically. So that's the fallback position if you cannot get it refinanced before 2 months have gone by, because in that case, you are not going to get the grant if you can't get it refinanced or paid. So once you've heard this, if you haven't paid your CEBA loan back, put it down your computer, call your bank, and get this organized so you don't lose out on the grant.